Have you heard about STEAM education? Let's break it down and make it super easy to understand. STEAM stands for science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. It's a modern way of teaching that connects these 5 subjects together instead of teaching them separately. Let's go step by step. Science is about asking questions and finding out how things work, from plants and animals to weather and space. Technology is about using computers, apps, and tools to make things happen, like programming robots or creating animations. Engineering is about designing and building things that solve problems, like bridges, machines, or even simple inventions. Arts is about creativity, drawing, music, storytelling, and design. It makes projects beautiful and helps us express ideas. Mathematics is about numbers, shapes, and patterns. It helps us measure, calculate, and solve logical problems. In STEAM education, we don't just memorize facts. We use all of these subjects together to create solutions to real-world problems. Here's an example. Imagine you want to build a robot. Science helps you understand how the robot moves. Technology lets you program the robot's brain. Engineering helps you build its body. Art makes it look interesting and fun. Math helps you measure its parts so it works perfectly. By combining all 5 subjects, students learn to think like problem solvers. They try out ideas, test them, make mistakes, and improve their projects. This process builds creativity, teamwork, and confidence. STEAM education is so important because the world is changing fast. Many future jobs will need people who can work with technology, think critically, and come up with new ideas. So STEAM is not just about learning facts. It's about learning how to think, create, and innovate. It prepares students for the future and makes learning fun and exciting.